stock crypto credit moves. Good afternoon, YouTube. We're back for another quick video. And today I'm going to discuss how I go about having negative items removed from a client's credit report. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your address, telephone number, and work employment information on your profile is correct. Too many times we have addresses on our profiles that are not accurate, and that's actually what actually keeps a lot of items that could actually be removed on your credit profile because you've changed address 3 or 4 times, and they actually have collections or derogatory information related to your previous address. So you want to make sure that if there's any information that's on your credit report that's not accurate, you definitely want to have that removed. And the most current information is what's reporting on your profile. So that's the number one way to get things removed, is by having accurate information reporting to your profile. The second thing you want to do is you actually want to go to LexisNexis and actually request a security freeze. You have LexisNexis, SageStream, and Innovis. These are 3 housing places that store negative information about you for the bureaus. So what actually happens is when you actually do a dispute, the bureaus are going to reach out to these entities to get the negative information verified. So if you actually freeze your accesses, it just increases the chances of getting items removed. So many times people just go in, they don't know about LexisNexis, SageStream, and Innovis. They just go in and do a dispute, and it comes back verified because they haven't froze their accesses. So these companies keep negative information about you, and the bureaus reach out, and that's how the items continue to come back verified. Whether they have the information or not, they're holding this information about you. So by freezing your accesses, it gives you a much better chance to have them removed. So I'll put all this information in the description of this video, but the first one you want to do is LexisNexis. And you can do it online. So you just would go and hit submit a report online. Very self-explanatory. Online request form. And you actually can call to and do it if you have any issues completing it online. They'll need your residential address, Social Security, email. All right, so let's go into SageStream. You'll do the same security freeze. And also you want to opt in and opt out. So you want to freeze your credit, and then you want to hit opt in and opt out. The reason why opt in and opt out is very important is because you'll actually stop receiving credit offers in the mail. The next thing you want to do is file a dispute with Innovis. Security freeze again. You can do it by mail or by phone and online. So in pretty much what Innovis is just companies that have current accounts or relationships with you. So each one of these entities hold information which bureaus use to verify whether or not the debt is yours or not. So by freezing them, you're giving yourself a much better chance of having items removed. And those are the steps that you want to do in order to have items removed from your profile. So you want to make sure all your addresses are correct, telephone number, employer's information. Second thing you want to do is you want to freeze your LexisNexis access, then your SageStream access, and Innovis. So that is what I want to share in this video today. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you ways to improve your credit score without paying. This is actually free public information you can use. You can work on your own credit. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and until next time, signing off.